gonna say, man, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. I know it's been a little bit, it's been a minute, but we're back in action. Got another full-blown video out here for you now. And today we're going to be installing the front mount intercooler by Mishimoto. Ditching the HKS, replacing it with the Mishimoto. It's a bigger core, better cooling, etc. Right? It looks better. It's just better quality, better built, no more boost leak issues. And I'm actually filming this video after the install because during the install my mic decided to die. Yeah, that's right, on the new camera, on the new EOS R. Love the quality though, it looks super official. Look at that sky, yo. Sheesh. So yeah, unfortunately the mic died. I don't know exactly what happened. Maybe it's just getting warmed up to me. Who knows? But anyways, before we start this video, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and blessings to everybody. Let's just show around the car here real quick. So got the underglow on right now. For everybody who's new to the channel, welcome. This is my 2021 Honda Civic Type R. It is definitely modified, and we got a lot of plans coming up for it, including a big turbo by MHI. It'll be fully tuned, most likely by Red Star Motoring or somebody around that nature. UMS tuning, I'm not sure yet, you guys, on that. But I know it is going to get a different tune. Excuse me, can't talk today. Get a different tune than Farable. And yeah, as you guys can see, that's the Mishimoto intercooler. So what I'm going to do is play these clips where it shows you guys the process of the install, everything we had to do. We had to go through the fitment, the quality of it, the unboxing, etc., everything like that. So we'll roll that clip here in just a moment. But one more walk around here. You guys like the way it looks? Throw a like up, throw a comment up in that description. Let me know how you feel. I think it looks awesome, my opinion. Also, you guys, this Honda sign is going to be, it's going to be like carbon fiber. You'll see what I come up with. It's going to be crazy. It's going to match the SGP. Literally, it's going to be like liquid metal match. So just watch. I have an idea for it. There's a reason these wheels are on here. There's a reason there's these color of the wheels, etc. Okay, so y'all see. I promise you, I won't let you down. It's gonna look clean. One shot of that intercooler, then I'll roll the clip. That's it, y'all. Mishimoto. All right, y'all. Enjoy the clip. Much love and blessings.
coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win, posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me, like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounded. Fill my cup up for the ones